Tom Keene.
Today, Microsoft is taking the next giant leap in cloud computing to space. This is an area that we've been working on for some time, and we're excited to share publicly the work that we've been doing.
A satellite above Earth.
At Microsoft, our approach to space is different. And this difference is evident across our platform, product, partnerships, and people. With the enormous challenges that space presents, there also comes great opportunity. The space community is growing rapidly, and innovation is lowering the barriers of access for public and private sector organizations. What used to solely be the bastion of governments, the innovation developed by private space companies has democratized access to space and the use of space to create new scenarios and opportunities that meet the needs of both the public and private sector. Space has been powering the world for a long time, and together with our partners at Microsoft, we're excited to democratize space for all industries to enable new options for enterprises around connectivity and compute. Space is a rapidly growing ecosystem with ambitions to make space connectivity increasingly attainable across industries like agriculture, energy, and telecommunications, as well as across the public sector.
Farmland, wind turbines.
At Microsoft, we intend to make Azure the platform and ecosystem of choice for the mission needs of the space community. By harnessing the power of Azure, from the cloud to the edge, and our unwavering focus on supporting the missions of our customers, today I'm sharing details about our strategy for Azure Space.
From space, the Earth.
Azure Space is a set of offerings and products, a partner ecosystem, and a global strategy focused on innovation in the following core areas. First, our product offerings across cloud, edge, machine learning, augmented intelligence, automation, networking, visualization, and digital solutions. Today, we're announcing the new Azure Modular Data Center, which enables Azure Anywhere, our new environment emulation technology called Azure Orbital Emulator, building on the recent news of our ground station as a service offering, Azure Orbital. Taken together, these offerings create a framework for a digital platform to benefit both partners and customers looking to expand in the space market.
Satellite orbit layers.
Innovation through partnerships is an area we feel very comfortable in, building an ecosystem of top satellite communication companies to provide a multi-orbit from low Earth orbit to medium Earth orbit and geosynchronous orbit, multi-band, multi-vendor, cloud-enabled capability brings comprehensive and resilient satellite connectivity solutions to meet the needs of our customers.
SpaceX, SES.
Today, we're announcing new connectivity partnerships with SpaceX and an expansion of our existing collaboration with SES. At Microsoft, we've made a deliberate decision to work with partners to deliver our offerings to commercial and government customers, creating opportunities in helping build broader ecosystems, which is core to everything that we do at Microsoft. Our recent announcement of Azure Orbital is case in point. The ground segment becomes a digital platform integrated into Azure and complemented by partners like Amagent, Kratos, KSAT, Kubos, Viasat, SES, and US Electrodynamics, just to name a few. Each partner brings their own unique value and expertise. Innovation in investments is also coupled with our innovation in people. We've brought together a team of experts who've worked across major space initiatives in both the private and public sector. This includes people like Bill Chappell, a former senior leader from DARPA, Steve Katay, the former Deputy Assistant Secretary of Defense for Space Policy, and Chirag Parikh, the former Director of Space Policy at the White House. We've built this team of renowned space industry veterans to work alongside our world-class engineers, scientists, and innovators to build cloud capabilities that meet the unique needs of space, emulating space missions, discovering insights from satellite data, and fueling innovation, both on the ground and in orbit. By building on new and existing partnerships within the space community, learning and leaning into our culture of innovation and investing in people, we are extending the Azure Edge capabilities with worldwide satellite connectivity, enabling more scenarios and more partners to achieve more.
Azure. Invent with purpose. Microsoft Azure. Microsoft.